In this video, I will show you how to fix visibility problems that can happen after using the translucent Windows mods in Windhawk. These mods adds beautiful transparency effects to Windows. But sometimes it can affect applications like Microsoft Word, text buttons, backgrounds, or even documents pages may become difficult to see. So let's quickly fix this problem. At first we will fix the Task Manager application problem, and we need to copy it. Now you can see the blur effect problem, and we need to go to the Windhawk. First click here details and go to the advanced. Now see here custom process exclusion list. You need to paste that here and click here save. You can see the changes. And we will solve the problem of our index. You can see the blur effect also here. We need to fix this here. Without the notepad we will fix this. At first search here for index and just right click on it and click here properties. Now click the index here and copy it here. Now go to the notepad and paste here and add here .exe and click the index.exe and go to the Windhawk and paste that here. Also click the save and the issue is fixing here. You can see another problem is here, the Photoshop. Here we will fix the Adobe Photoshop problem, and we need to go to the search here for Photoshop. Right click on it and click here the open file location. Click here show more options, then click the properties and copy it here. Again go to the Windhawk and paste that. We need to remove the quotation mark also here and click here save. You can see the Photoshop problem is also fixed here. Now we will solve the notepad problem and we need to copy the notepad.exe and copy it here. Now go to the Windhawk and the custom process exclusion list and also paste it here and click here save. The visibility problem is also fixed here. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.